Hey guys, it's fall, y'all, and for us woodworkers, that means fall decor items to sell at craft shows or on Etsy. So here's a couple of popular items on Etsy. We're going to try to make something similar with just a scrap of 2x4 and 1x4. So meet me over at the miter saw. For our first project, we're making a couple of signs. These are going to be made out of some scrap 1x4, and they're 6.5 inches long by approximately 2 inches tall. We're going to take the 2x4 over to the table saw and rip off the rounded edge to get a straight edge, and then we're going to cut it at 2¼ inches. Next, at the miter saw, we're going to square it up, and then we're going to measure 2¼ inches from the saw blade. So here I'm just cutting the first one at 2¼ and then I make a mark on my fence. Now I can just move each piece to the fence instead of measuring. It saves a little time when you're batching things out. So these are all 2¼ by 2¼ I had some special walnut stain from Minwax. That's what I used. Hey guys, so we're going to start with our 4 blocks. These are going to be reversible with little white ghost on one side and orange pumpkins on the other side. I bought the orange paint and the white paint from Dollar Tree. The orange is fantastic and took 1 coat. The white took 4 coats. This is really crappy white paint. But the colored paints I've had really good luck with. So we're just going to use super glue and activator, or you can use a pin nailer. We're going to do it both ways. And we're just eyeballing it. You know, it's supposed to be a handcrafted item. It's not going to be perfect, y'all. Whoop. Man, it's blowing stuff everywhere. What's up? Now we're going to flip them around. Let's put the ghosts on there. Guys, these things sell from anywhere from $10 to $20 on Etsy. I think these would be a great seller at local craft shows as well. And my preference is the pin nailer. It's just saves some glue. The super glue is about $15 a bottle. All right, so got our little blocks. So if you want to celebrate Halloween, there you go. You want to celebrate fall? All right, there you go. These are reversible, so dual purpose. People like buying things that'll that you can use for 2 occasions. So this would be Halloween and this would be fall. Maybe Thanksgiving, maybe the month of October, you have the ghosts showing, then you flip it around, or you have them both. Second project is, this is where we just made a little slot on the table saw, and we laser cut some orange signs. The sign is 2 inches by 6, and this piece here is 6.25 inches long. So we've got a sign there. And then we made a second one for Halloween. So same kind of thing. You might want to flip it around. You could even sell them with interchangeable. You could paint one side white. It could say boo on one side, fall on the other. Or you could just have 2 signs. Just depends what you have in your house. So, hey guys, if you enjoyed this at all, please like and subscribe. And check out this other playlist. Hey guys, if you made it this far, say boo in the comments for me. Thanks for watching.